Higher performance with pre-positioning. Picking speed can be boosted dramatically by operating two Hänel lean lift systems simultaneously. Parallel operation is possible when inventory items are distributed between the two systems. The Hänel microprocessor controller centrally manages the item storage positions and coordinates transport commands for both storage systems. When a picking order is started, each lift simultaneously transports the requisite containers to the ergonomic access points. After picking the item from the first lift, the user can go directly to the second lift and retrieve the item at that access point. In the meantime, the first lift is already bringing the next container into position for picking. Time and routing are optimized in this process. Parallel operation of two Hänel lean lift systems means that there are no waiting times. In fact, the time saved is a great advantage when compared with extra-wide vertical lifts or those with a dual access point. There is also no limit on the height of the items in storage, and that is an additional advantage. The much higher performance of two Hänel lifts running in parallel makes this intralogistic solution extremely efficient, thus delivering a quick return on investment.